CapCut PC 3.8.0 just dropped 3 game-changing features that will have your edits popping. This tutorial will show you how to effortlessly add and edit captions with the new Captions tab, create amazing animated characters with the AI Character tab, make your characters magically lip-sync using Captions with AI. Get ready to take your CapCut game to the next level. Welcome to Creative Suit Tutorials YouTube channel. Let us show you the new features inside CapCut PC 3.8.0. The caption feature is now available as a separate tab, and to showcase this feature, we have added a voiceover layer. Now, if we click on this tab, we can see the caption features. From here, we can add our captions file if we have created using any software. The supported file types are mentioned here. We can also auto-generate captions for our videos. It can automatically detect the language of our video and create captions instantly. The separate caption templates section contains all the templates divided into categories. We can find all our favorite and trending caption templates here. If we want to create any caption, we can click on the template and the auto-generate option will be enabled. Let's enable the sound of our voiceover so CapCut can create our captions. Now our captions have been created and we can easily edit them as we used to do before. You can learn more about the caption feature in this video to create custom-styled captions. We can also select any other caption style and replace the existing one with just a click. Now, the second new feature is the AI Characters tab, and to learn this feature completely, watch the above tutorial. Let us give you a quick introduction to this feature. Here you can write your script which you want your AI character to speak. You can also use this AI Writer feature to write your scripts easily. Then you can select your avatar, select a suitable voice, and other things such as frames and backgrounds. The third feature is very useful when we have generated a voiceover and captions already using any software. We will just select our captions layers and go to this section. Now from here, we can select our preferred avatar and lip sync our voiceover to it. This can be very useful if you have created a voiceover using a separate software or tool. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.